Empty school hallways and playgrounds, students who miss teachers and friends, parents trying their best to keep their children on task with virtual learning. These past few months have been difficult for many. Now, as things start to open back up in the Commonwealth, parents like Christy Burton Omarzai and her husband, who's a doctor, are anxious to hear how plans will materialize for getting children back to school.
There's so much more that happens at school besides learning. And I can tell you, and I think most moms would agree, we're all struggling at home in different ways without our kids having these outlets and being able to express themselves in different ways, interact with their friends. But at the same time, our fear is when they go back, what risks will they have?
Similar questions have surfaced for Dr. Sidra Butts. The Midlothian dentist has 4 sons and is eager to see what the new school year will bring.
So I think we do need to have at least a baseline of testing done. That are you carriers? Have you had it? So we have an idea of what we're exposing our children and our teachers and family members to as well.
She's also hoping school leaders will embrace a slow, phased reopening.
But our classes are already overcrowded and teachers are already overworked. So there needs to be a compromise where, with teacher input, we can decide what's the best move forward.
She and other parents are relieved to know the governor recently assembled a COVID-19 education work group to guide the process. A diverse panel consisting of teachers, students, parents, superintendents, and college presidents. A variety of private and public education stakeholders from all across Virginia.
They have our students, regardless of their zip code, regardless of their economic status, regardless if they have a active individual education plan or not. They're going to keep all children in the forefront of their decision making.
We are all in this together, but we're all at different places in this, and we have to make sure we're considering everybody's situation.
The governor says the reopening plan will be guided by a data-driven and science-based approach and will include recommendations from that COVID-19 education work group. He says it will also be coordinated with the Forward Virginia plan, which gradually eases health restrictions. That's driven by CDC guidelines. Working for you in Chesterfield, Shelby Brown, CBS 6 News.